Good morning. Welcome back to PWTRELYNEWS. They say the third time is the charm, and if we're lucky, the lightning will stay far away. Today, we're talking and taking a complicated story, global, and breaking them down into everyday language. No jargon, no shouting, just the truth in terms we all live with. Today's topic ain't about foreign governments or treaty. It's about you and the person who knocks on your door with a great idea. Because whether it's two nations negotiating a ceasefire or two neighbors talking over a fence, the rule is the same. Never rush into an agreement you don't fully understand. Or the popular biblical saying is, fools rush in where angels stare to tread. Let's start small with the neighbor's story. Imagine your neighbor walks over one morning with a smile and says, "Hey, I've got a great partnership idea. It'll be good for both of us." Sounds friendly, sounds harmless, but here's the truth. Every deal has fine, small print, even the ones spoken out loud. Before y'all say yes, you need to ask yourself, what exactly is being asked of me? What am I responsible for? What happens if things go wrong? Murphy's Law, you know. What does the change in our relationship be? Because a friendly handshake today can become a lifelong burden tomorrow. Around the world, governments make deals too. Treaties, agreements, partnerships. Some are simple, most aren't. And when one side says, "We'll only sign if you all give up something major," that's not just a request, folks. That's leverage. That's pressure. That's risk. And when the other side says, "We can't give that up," the deal collapses. Whoosh. Not because either side is wrong, mind you, but because the cost was too darn high. You see the pattern? Whether it's neighbors or nations, every agreement carries weight. The lesson for all of us. Here's the takeaway, plain and simple. The next time y'all neighbor approaches y'all with a partnership or a deal, do y'all homework first. You never know how deep the obligation runs or how fast a simple request can wreck a friendship for good. It's not about being suspicious. It's not. It's about being smart, using your head. It's about protecting your peace, your time, and your relationships. Because once you sign on, whether it's a treaty or a backyard handshake, you're responsible for what comes next. PWTRN will always break these stories down in ordinary language, so you can see the real world implications without the fog of political talk. Stay informed, stay steady, and before you agree to anything, big or small, take a breath and look twice. This is PWTRealNews.kinsta, KINSTA.cloud, CLOUD. Now, we'll be seeing you later, Gators. And for all you people who look out the window like I have in the lower Heidelberg, Berks County area in Pennsylvania, and suddenly the sun is gone, black clouds have managed to fill the air with precipitation, rain, bouts of thunder, and lightning lighting up the sky. You need to go somewhere in a hurry? I bet you do. We all do. Hurry is the new normal. Call Fleetwood Cab Services at 899-9600 and tell them Elizabeth from PWTRN sent you, because she knows they're fast, efficient, clean as a whistle. And no, I haven't looked at whistles lately. Clean as a whistle, courteous, accepts charge and cash alike. No beads or glass accepted. Thank y'all for listening. And remember, we'll see you later, Gators.